Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I will show you how you can get real-time stock data in your Excel sheet and all the other attributes related to that stock, and you could maintain your own stock data, see what you have invested, where you are, what is the high for that stock, what is the low for that stock, and the other things. Okay, so let's get started. First, what we'll do is we'll go to the NSE website and look for the symbol of the stock. So this is the website for you. Okay. So for example, we have to take a company for, let's say, Infosys. So I'll type in Infosys here. Okay. And you see this INFY is the symbol for the Infosys stock, right? So if I click, then I see that the symbol is INFI. Okay, now I'll use this symbol in my Excel sheet to get the data for the stock of Infosys. So here I'll type in INFY INFI. Okay, and now I have to go to the data tab and click on this button which says stocks. Okay, so once you do this, there will be a data selector window that will open up. Okay, it might take time to load depending on your connection, and then it says Infosys Limited, the stock, and this is registered with the New York Stock Exchange, right? So if I just make it a little bigger, okay, and the next one is stock with the National Stock Exchange of India. So this is the one we are looking for. So basically, this stocks picks up all the stocks of this symbol INFI from the world, right? And there are more results as well to be shown. Okay, but we'll pick the one that we require, that's from the National Stock Exchange of India. So we'll select this, and you see that the stock name appears completely Infosys Limited X NSE INFI, right? So this is the way first we get the stock using the symbol of the stock. Now the next step is this insert data field. So when you click this, you get a drop down menu wherein you can find all the relevant fields or the values related to the stock, right? So let's say if I want a 52-week high, I can click on a 52-week high and expand the cell. I get the value of the 52-week high, right? Let's say I want the 52-week low, so I get the value of the 52-week low. I want to see the percentage change, so I'll see the percentage change like this. Okay, and any other data that I want from here, high, low, PE ratio, or the current price. Okay, so we can get it from this menu. So whatever fields are required, just keep selecting them and they will be coming here. So similarly, let's try one more stock. So I'll go back to the NSE website. Let's try Reliance. Okay, so this is Reliance Industry Limited, and this is the symbol Reliance. Okay, so I'll type in Reliance here. Click on the stock button, and here I see Reliance Industries Limited, National Stock Exchange, and this is the one which is listed on the BSE. Okay, so I'll select the one here. Okay, Reliance Industries Limited, right? And then I again get this menu, and I can choose whatever I wish to choose, and I'll get the particular values. So once your stock is selected, you can update this data as well. To do that, you have to select the stock, okay, this field, do a right click, go to the data type and click on refresh. So based on whatever values are there presently or currently in the market, this will be updated. And if you have performed any calculations here, these will be updated with depending on the value changes here. So that is the way you can maintain a list of your stocks in Excel, and you can also get the direct real-time values from the market. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.